Good afternoon, my friends. Yes, my subscribers, my friends, all 416 of you. Today we're going to do My Friends by the Chili Peppers. We're going to take a trip back in time like we always do, back to the 90s, and we're going to do the Chili Peppers. We're in standard tuning, and we're going to start with a D chord. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to start with your index finger on the G string. Oh, sorry, on the D string. Slide it down to the 5th, and then back up to the 3rd. Start on the D, except you take your middle finger off. We're going to pluck open D chord, and then your G, and then the two high, like your A, your high E and your B together. So it's like this. Okay, do that. And then back up and pluck the G. Then we're going to put your middle finger on the D string, 3rd fret, hammer on to the G, and then pluck the D string. Back, we're going to bring our index finger up to the 2nd fret, A string. So we're going to go, and then like just a hammer on from the 2nd to the 3rd. Open A string, and then we're gonna. So it sounds like this. So that's your verse. My friends are so depressed. I feel the question of your loneliness. Confide, 'cause I'll be on your side. Ex-girlfriend called me up, alone and desperate on the prison phone. Of course you could be picking it though, like. Anyway, that's your verse right there. Now we're going to get into the chorus. I love all of you. So it goes to the C. I love all of you. Hurt by the cold, so hard and lonely too. When you don't know yourself, my friends are so distressed. So what we're doing is we're going from the C. I love all of down to the A minor, okay? Just your two fingers. All of you. Then I pick from the bottom up. Now, most times he slides into the C. Oh shit, like, just like that when he comes back, but I don't bother because why make it complicated? Hurt by, then you slide it down 2 frets to the 5th, which makes it what? A D, I think? Hurt by the cold, so hard and lonely too. When you don't know yourself. So I'm going from the C to the A minor, back up to the C, slide it to the 5th for the 2nd, and then the A minor. So hard and lonely too. When you don't know yourself, my friends are so depressed and standing on the brink of emptiness. The words I know what to express is emptiness. I love all of you. Hurt by the cold. Anyway, I really hope this video helped you. If I missed something, please don't be afraid to let me know. If you have any ideas for a song, please let me know. I picked My Friends today because I'm up to 416 or 417 subscribers. And to me, like, that's just wonderful. I never, ever thought I'd even break 100 when I first started this. So thank you all to everyone who has subscribed. I hope this helps you. Leave a message, leave a comment if you need to. And, oh, and if you want to learn the solo, I did start a Patreon page. I need to get equipment to make new videos. I need new guitars, stuff like that. So I started a Patreon page. Donate what you can, and you can learn all the solos there. We can have live chats. We can jam together in my Patreon. So don't be afraid to look that up and become a member of my Patreon. We can jam it up together. Anyway, until next time, guys. Thank you so much, and be safe.